Hi, it's James here from Greenwood Tree Contractors. We're here with our one-of-one custom-built bulldog high-capacity wood chip bucket. The bucket was designed by us and manufactured by Martin at MIM Wear Parts in Windsor, Berkshire. We came up with a figure of 2.6 cubic metres after consulting the Volvo ECR 145's lifting chart, subtracting the weight of the bucket and going on the assumption that wood chip weighs roughly 3 cubic metres per tonne. We've been extremely happy with results as it's improved our loading times and decreased our fuel consumption.